Get ready to see the ultimate glow-up you won't want to miss.
Project number 1.
Is this trash or the start of something beautiful? Start off by wrapping hessian around the container, then glue the roses. Then attach the beaded wire before adding flowers and completing with ribbons at the sides. Can you believe this Flower Girl basket used to be a plastic takeaway container? Proof that beautiful decor doesn't have to be expensive.
Project number 2. You're wasting free packaging. Step 1. Collect paper bags. Step 2. Shred it. Step 3. Pack it. Save money on e-commerce packaging material with this simple idea. Eco-friendly free hack. Project number 3. Even trash can be turned into stylish lighthouse decor. Project number 4. Old buttons, bottle caps and beads. After. Zero cost storage. Project number 5. After. Budget-friendly ottoman from trash. Project number 6. Soak egg trays in water. The biodegradable pots are now ready for planting. Project number 7. The boot is now ready to be glued and covered with fabric. Trash to treasure. These unique boots are a fantastic option to fill with small treats or gifts for kids and can be used to enhance your decor. Project number 8. Free storage from trash. Project number 9. Project number 10. Can a simple plastic container become this without spending a fortune? Fabric I had. Free Flora container. Template I made. Glitter foam that I had in my stash. Before, after, it was destined for the dump. Now, it's the centerpiece.